Hello there guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create your own hashtag on Facebook. Firstly guys, go and open your Facebook application and then you should go on your right upper side by clicking the three dots icon, and after that you need to click on your profile. Then guys, you should scroll down and go for posts, for example, and after that you're gonna go for a post, and then you can select a frame, or you can just tap and add some feature with this side, as you can see right here. What's on your mind? Here you can add a text, but we'll not add text, we'll add a hashtag. Firstly, go on your keyboard sides, there you have an options. You need to go choose this tick, and then you need to type for a hashtag. For example, as you can see here guys, if I tap on this, it says that fewer than 1000 posts. What that means? That means that this hashtag it's not on because it is used by someone else. If I need to make my own hashtag, I just need to add something that is different and something that will not be showable in this case. For example, I will add T, and here, as you can see, with this one we have created our own hashtag, and it's so simple guys. Just go post, and with that guys, you have created your own hashtag on Facebook. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.